Hey there, folks! Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone looking to upgrade their home flooring: waterproof flooring. Whether you're renovating your entire house or just a single room, choosing the right flooring can make a world of difference. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on what we have to share. Chip Gaines here, and let me tell you, I've seen a lot of flooring trends come and go. From classic hardwood to trendy tiles, each has its own set of pros and cons, but today we're focusing on something truly revolutionary: waterproof laminate flooring. This isn't just another trend, it's a game changer in the world of home improvement. But let me tell you about a game changer: waterproof laminate flooring. Imagine having the beauty of hardwood or the elegance of tiles without worrying about spills, stains, or even pet accidents. Yes, you heard that right. This flooring is designed to withstand the challenges of everyday life, making it perfect for any room in your home. This ain't your grandma's laminate. Gone are the days when laminate flooring was considered a cheap alternative. Today's waterproof laminate flooring comes in a variety of styles, colors, and textures that can mimic the look of real wood or stone. It's not just functional, it's also incredibly stylish, adding a touch of elegance to any room. It's durable, stylish, and perfect for busy families. Ready to dive in? Imagine a flooring solution that can handle the hustle and bustle of daily life: kids running around, pets playing, and even those accidental spills during family dinners. Waterproof laminate flooring is built to last, offering both durability and aesthetic appeal. So, if you're looking for a flooring option that combines practicality with style, look no further. Stay tuned as we explore the many benefits and features of waterproof laminate flooring and show you why it's the perfect choice for your home. So what exactly is waterproof laminate flooring? Imagine this: a tough, multi-layered floor that laughs in the face of spills and splashes. It's like regular laminate but with a secret weapon: a water-resistant core and tight locking system. Here's the technical bit. Waterproof laminate has a core made of high-density fiberboard or plastic composite. This core is completely impenetrable to water. Plus, the edges are sealed with special coatings and locking systems. No water is getting through. Now, you might be thinking, Chip, what about regular laminate? Regular laminate flooring has been a popular choice for many homeowners due to its affordability and ease of installation. It offers a wide variety of styles and can mimic the look of real wood or stone without the high cost. However, there are some significant drawbacks when it comes to moisture and water exposure. Listen, regular laminate is great, but it can't handle moisture like its waterproof cousin. When exposed to water, regular laminate flooring can swell, warp, and even develop mold. This is because traditional laminate flooring has a fiberboard core that is highly susceptible to water damage. Even a small spill, if not cleaned up immediately, can cause significant damage over time. Imagine the frustration of having to replace sections of your flooring because of an accidental spill or a minor leak. Spills can warp it, and humidity is its worst enemy. In areas with high humidity, regular laminate flooring can absorb moisture from the air, leading to expansion and contraction. This constant movement can cause the flooring to buckle and create gaps between the planks. Not to mention, if you live in a region with a lot of rain or have a household with kids and pets, the risk of water damage increases significantly. Regular laminate flooring simply isn't designed to withstand these conditions. Waterproof laminate? It takes it all in stride. Unlike regular laminate, waterproof laminate flooring is engineered with a special core that resists water. This means you can install it in areas prone to moisture like kitchens, bathrooms, and basements without worrying about damage. Spills, splashes, and even standing water won't cause it to swell or warp. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean. Just wipe up any spills and you're good to go. With waterproof laminate, you get the beauty and versatility of laminate flooring with the added peace of mind that it can handle whatever life throws at it. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the benefits are endless. When it comes to choosing the right flooring for your home, waterproof laminate flooring stands out for a multitude of reasons. Let's dive into why this type of flooring is becoming a popular choice among homeowners and interior designers alike. First and foremost, waterproof laminate is incredibly durable. This flooring is designed to withstand the wear and tear of daily life. Whether you have a bustling household with kids running around or a busy office space, this flooring can handle it all. The robust construction ensures that it remains intact and looking new for years to come. It can handle high traffic, scratches, and those inevitable spills. Imagine your dog running across the floor or your kids playing with their toys. You won't have to worry about scratches or damage. And when those accidental spills happen, you can simply wipe them up without any fuss, thanks to its waterproof nature. Plus, it's easy to clean, a dream for pet owners. If you have pets, you know how challenging it can be to keep your floors clean. With waterproof laminate flooring, cleaning is a breeze. A simple mop or sweep is all it takes to maintain a spotless floor, making it perfect for homes with furry friends. And let's not forget, it's easier on your wallet compared to hardwood. Hardwood floors, while beautiful, can be quite expensive. Waterproof laminate offers a cost-effective alternative that doesn't compromise on style or quality. You get the look of real wood without the hefty price tag, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious homeowners. Another fantastic benefit is the variety of styles and finishes available. Whether you prefer a classic oak look, a modern gray finish, or something more exotic, there's a waterproof laminate option to match your aesthetic. This versatility allows you to create the perfect look for any room in your home. Installation is also a breeze. Many waterproof laminate flooring options come with a click-lock system that makes installation quick and easy, even for DIY enthusiasts. You can transform a room in just a weekend without the need for professional help, saving you even more money. In summary, waterproof laminate flooring offers a combination of durability, ease of maintenance, affordability, and style. It's a practical and stylish choice that can enhance the beauty and functionality of any space. So, if you're considering new flooring, waterproof laminate might just be the perfect option for you. Thinking this sounds too good to be true? Well, it gets better. You can install waterproof laminate practically anywhere. Bathrooms? Check. Kitchens? Absolutely. Basements prone to dampness? Bring it on. This flooring can handle it all. Now, I know you're eager to get started, but choosing the right brand is key. Some of my favorites, Shaw, Mohawk, and Coratec, are all top contenders. They offer a wide variety of styles, colors, and textures to fit any design aesthetic. Here's the best part. Maintaining waterproof laminate is a breeze. Regular sweeping or vacuuming will do the trick. For spills, just wipe them up. No need for fancy cleaners or back-breaking scrubbing. Easy peasy. So, there you have it, folks. Waterproof laminate flooring is the real deal. It's durable, stylish, and perfect for busy families like yours. Trust me, your floors and your life will be better because of it. Happy renovating!